Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched the Paint My City program in Tura, West Garo Hills district, aimed at improving urban management. The event, organized by the District Planning Office, was held at the District Auditorium in Tura. The initiative seeks to address urban challenges and streamline municipal services using technology-driven solutions for a more efficient and cleaner city. Moreover, the campaign seeks to resolve issues like garbage, unpainted walls, incomplete construction that affect the city's appearance, and the need for sustained awareness among the citizens to improve the city's cleanliness and beauty.
We have already done a lot of cleanliness of the streets through Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and the Swachhta Hi Seva campaigns. And now it was in the line of the imagination and the objective that was set out by Honorable CM Sir. He initiated this thought process that once we are done with the streets, now the next step forward is to start with the walls for the city. And we see that many of our walls can bear very beautiful artistry, can bear very beautiful graffitis, can bear very beautiful street art. And this is a way where we can not just encourage our local youth to prepare and present some of the best of cultures from the Garo Hills region, but best of these art forms as well. And in that process, make Tura a much more beautiful, a much more cleaner city.